faces that you can put on your ghosts. And I'm going to give you a few minutes to decorate your ghosts after you watch the video. So get some ideas from this video and just relax. We're coming in from PE to take a breath.
Spooky, spooky, very spooky, happy Halloween.
So now that we've had an opportunity to look at all those spooky things, I'm going to let you guys get a marker out. And on your balloon, it's not going to be so easy, but I'm going to let you draw a face on your balloon. But then, you're going to have to work very, very carefully with your partner to do the next steps. So whenever you get back to your desk, on your way back, I want you to think of one kind thing to say to your partner, because the task I'm about to give you is very difficult, and you might lose your patience with your partner. But I want you to have a fresh thought in your mind about one kind thing you can say to them, so that if you lose your patience, you can think, oh yeah, but they're very, very, whatever compliment you decide to give them. Okay? So on your way back to your desk, think of a compliment for your partner, and then you can get out a black marker or whatever color you would like to start decorating your white balloon. Are you ready? Tiptoe back to your desk.
One more direction that I forgot to warn you about. Alright, Raven. You have 2 minutes to work on your balloons, but here's the special direction. You're going to notice that what state of matter is in this cup? It's a liquid is in this cup. So don't knock over that state of matter, which is a liquid, otherwise we might have a big problem. Go ahead and do it, Freddie. We've got 2 minutes.
Alex, can I use one of your markers?
No, don't blow it up.
Alex, can I use one of your markers? I have a marker.
Perfect. That's perfect. Why don't you show Shelby?
Ashley, will you take this? Ashley's got to go.
Mine.
All right. 3, 2, 1. All hands in the air. Hands in the air, pencils down. I'm looking, I'm waiting. In this balloon, I'm going to put 15 spoonfuls of baking soda, which is in your cupcake. Notice how I had to wedge my fingers in there. I don't have any more hands to put my spoon in, do I? But everyone has a balloon. The first thing that I did, so I'm wedging my fingers. Not yet. Put your balloons down and just watch. I'm pulling it apart like this to make room for my second finger. I'm going to put my 4 fingers in, and then I'm just going to climb into the balloon with my fingers until I get past the skinny part. Now it's big, right? That means she can put the baking soda, 15. Please put 15 spoonfuls. And your hands are going to get tired, so if you need to take a rest, don't take your fingers out. Just close your hands and rest for a second. Then pull your hands back open.
2,
Oh, my hands are tired again. Okay, good.
3, 4.
Okay, so we've got my balloon, and that's the step that I'm going to leave you with. Do you guys think that we can get, if there's 2 of you, do you think if I give you each 4 minutes to fill your balloons, you can do that?
Yeah.
All right. I'm coming with your spoon, and you have to work on it.
I can't.
What state of matter did we put in the balloon? Cruise?
Solid.
It was a solid. How did you know it was not a liquid or a gas?
Well, liquids make your fingers feel soggy, and weird, and gas just makes your, like you don't see most of the gas.
So you're saying that gas is usually like in steam form or something that's like maybe between liquid and solid?
Yeah, like right in the middle.
Okay, someone gave me an awesome example earlier of how the gas would be in a room when you're taking a shower. The water turns into a steam, and then it's almost like the gas, and then it collects as liquid back on the mirror, right? And it starts running down the mirror. Okay, here's the next part. We're actually going to be working with the liquids. Each of you have your own pipette, because this is going to take a while. So the cup needs to be in the very middle of the table. This is the procedure I want you to follow. Do not move yet. You've got a pipette, and then you also have your beakers here. And we're going to squeeze the pipette first. We already know how to use these, right? We're going to squeeze it, submerge it in the beaker, relax the pipette top, and I almost got that thing completely full. I'm going to keep filling this water bottle until we get, excuse me one more time, to the second line on the bottle. you'll notice that these have ridges in them, and I found that if you get it to the second ridge, you will have the best results in your experiment today. So if you can keep taking that pipette, I'm going to walk around with vinegar, so if you run out, don't worry, I've got lots extra. Please get it all the way up to the second line in your bottle. Can you do that very carefully? Great, you've got 4 minutes.
What are you supposed to do, Raven?
Nice. Are you squirting it into your bottle?
What are you supposed to do again? Fill it up to the second line.
You're going to...
Are you making it?
You got your water bottle over there? I was just making sure you had some. Let me give you guys some more, okay? You can just keep working it. This is very tricky. If you cannot see me, make sure that you're in a place that you can't see me, okay? On this one, you're going to have to work as a team too. So the first teammate's going to hold the bottle like this. Will you hold my bottle like that?
Sure.
The second teammate's going to make sure, please be very careful not to turn your ghost upright. So we want to make sure and shake make sure the baking soda's in the bottom. Be very careful not to turn it upright. I'm going to stretch this and just put it over the top of the water bottle and leave it just like that. So we're going to leave it just like that. We've got a new top for our bottle, and then the next thing you do is help your partner do the same thing. Great.
I like at the beginning of the
Trey, I'm going to make sure yours goes all the way down, okay?
Hold my bottle. We got a new top for our bottle. Mine doesn't have a face. It does.
On the count of 3, I want you to take the top of your balloon and hold it out just like this. And begin. 1, 2, 3. Do y'all see the ghosts? The gassy ghosts? They're gassy ghosts, guys. You can flick it to make sure all the baking soda gets in there. Yeah. You see it was Excellent job, guys. And facing me, because I'm going to ask you a few quick questions just to see if y'all learned anything from this, okay? So, whenever we had the baking powder, what state was the baking powder in? I'm going to snap, wait.
Solid.
Okay, and then what do we call the liquid that we put in the water bottle?
Vinegar.
Yes. When we combine those things, what did it create that filled up our balloon?
Air.
Nice. It reacted, right?